Hey, good morning, everybody. This morning, our devotional reading is Ezekiel chapter 37, verses 1 through 14. This is the set of passages in Ezekiel that you might recognize. Up to now, maybe you didn't recognize anything, but this is the scene called the Valley of the Dry Bones. Ezekiel is taken by God in this vision to a valley filled with nothing but human bones. And God, in verse 3, asks Ezekiel this question.
Then he asked me, Son of man, can these bones become living people again? O sovereign Lord, I replied, you alone know the answer to that.
And so God is challenging Ezekiel with a question of trust. Here appears to be an impossible situation. They're not just dead, they are long dead. Meat and flesh are gone, and it's just a bunch of dry bones. Well, God will go on to describe with Ezekiel a scene that sees all of these bones reanimated, that they're completely restored, and there's a mighty, vast army. And in them, ultimately, comes the breath of God, which gives them life. And then God interprets the vision for Ezekiel. He says, this is what I'm about to do for the people of Israel. Now, they've been in exile all this time, and he says that he is going to bring them back, not just from the brink of death, not just from death, but from utter death, because he has the power to do that. This is how it ends at verse 14.
I will put my spirit in you, and you will live again and return home to your land. Then you will know that I, the Lord, have spoken. And I have done what I said. Yes, the Lord has spoken.
And this is God's promise to us. No matter how dire the situation, no matter how barren life seems to have become, God's promise is that he will restore us. And when he does, there will be no doubt to us that it is God that is responsible. So have faith, take courage, and trust in God. No matter what the circumstance, know that he has always got the power to bring about the restoration we desire. So pray for that restoration and trust. No matter where the road leads you, God is there, and it's going to work out the way God intends. Have a great day, everyone. If these devotional videos are helpful to you, subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so you know when we post a new video. And of course, please share them with others.